Okay, vat ek ook af next time.
No, nee.
Karen! Just jokes. This lip liner.
This, sê net this lip primer en dan staan dit in.
One take. The first lip look is a dark one, and I'm gonna and I'm going the pinky peach.
Pinky peach.
And reduce the appearance of all imperfections.
Harsh concealer pad. Oh, yeah. To
Hi everyone, welcome back. If you haven't seen the previous 3 videos, I'm Angelica Prinsloo. I'm the makeup artist for Floma Star Studio Canal Walk. In today's video we are going to do lashes and liner.
what she said.
Okay.
Thank you, bye.
The next one is a, and if you are comfortable with using, before we start with the actual tutorial, go. I don't know what's with the tongue twisters today.
She ain't real.
Palette, it's got all kinds of, using the New Dudes color palette eyeshadow. New Dudes! Using our New Dudes smoky palette. This is smoky palette. Skin tone and eye color. Okay.
This little letter man.